Anne, welcome back from where you have been all along.
Thank you.
How is the situation so far? Mbere eri ekya gy'obadde.
Embeera nnungi bw'ontunuulira olaba ki? Amiina mukama mulungi nange nsanyusa okubeera wano.
Mu budde bwennyini obutuufu ng'endongo efuuse endongo wano.
Really mbadde simanyi.
Federation bigenda mu maaso bitubadde obiwulirako ebya federation.
Yeah, mbadde mbiwulira. I've been following.
About the federation.
Federation ne wuma ogwawa.
No, engeri gye naakajja I'm yet to ascertain which one is the right one okubeeramu. Because at the end of the day nange sagala kugwa wantu what are benefiting me as an artist. Yeah, so I'm yet to find out.
Okay. Tell us about we are even expecting to have the first ever female battle mu Gwanga, Shiba versus Cindy on the same stage.
Okay.
Tukusuubire ku ogwawa wenga legendary mu industry.
Neta natkati nze ng'omuyimbi I support both of them, but I believe the battle is a money making event, so I support them to go for it and make money but not fall out. That's the most important thing, because everything else can fall apart, but friendship is a very big thing and it shouldn't be lost. So they shouldn't look, they should look ahead. Balabenga omukwano tegugwawo.
Tugambe nti kino ekiseera abakyala okubanga nabo babatolinga kuba luli emabega tubadde na bato z'abasajja nga ze ziriwo.
Yeah, it's very okay. I mean, that's business. So si chibi as long as techita friendship eli what techileta wompalana, it should be for the good of both of them and nothing otherwise. Yeah. Amundeke katika ngende ndoza njogedde ekimala bambi omwana ali musana nange gunzita.
Omusama waffe natumaliriza. Soko ogere ku nsonga y'emikolo.
Ekyo sibijje kubyogerako. No, I'm loving God and that's all that matters. Yeah, so that's enough, my dear. Kangende. Neta bambi kangende. Wanje.
Osembaira abana Uganda bakulaba mugwango ozekola kidala dala. Oludde nga tulabika wano.
Nze kuwumulako. This is home. Yeah, nze kuwumulako omwana ali mu holiday la mulese.
Michelle oze naye.
Yeah.
Twamulabako ne mutabani wa Dr. Jose Chameleone. Abantu batandika okubisala. Abagamba munnange.
We live in a society. No. We live in a society where male and female can be friends, so we should embrace it and not have to create words and ebintu ebitaliwo. It's not necessary. They are young kids. We need to protect them. Nakachogera until they are young children, they need to be protected, so I can't speak anything beyond that. Yeah, it would be sort of like nga avume dembe ly'omwana okwogera in that kind of direction. As a parent, I can't do that. So I would expect every mature person to act the same.
Ku nsonga ya music, biki byotutegekedde kuba abawagizi ennyonte baluma nnyo.
Ennyonte baliwo eti mami tusakitegeera.
Ebintu byange mukama yabitegeka. When the right time comes, I'll release music. Yes. Bambi kangende. Okay.
Nende ekirala akasembayo. Ojjidde mu kaseera kukuba nti music abakyala bagera okuba batolinga mu ngeri emubera. Tukusuubira okubeera ku bivulu ebyo by'abayimbi ababiri abakyala n'abakyala kozi baliriyo lunaku lwe lumu venue y'emu. That is Cindy and Shiba.
Whenever wendi, I would attend because I support the business, but I'm not sure I'll be in the country. Yeah. I mean, salvation is personal. It's between me and my God. Okay. It's nothing on the outside, but what is in the inside. So, they need to stop judging people basing on the outside, because you don't know my relationship with God. That's all that matters.
So, man of God,
he's my friend.
Okay, besides that, yes, he's your friend.
Yeah.
One more is that.
Era twogera mukwano gwange. Twogera ne mikwano gyo. Kati ndozo okitegedde. So let me go. Ate muweereza obubaka waba mukwano gwange nga twogera mbumuwa direct.
Mwagenda ne mutusiba amaaso.
Ebyo sibiwulidde. Anti oluyimba lwakola temulwagala? Oluyimba lulungi nnyo osanga tunaakola olulala. Guys, have a good one. You never know. Anything can happen.
Mama tusubire EP yonna okuva gy'oli.
With God all things are possible. Yeah. Bambi mwebale nnyo. Mbagala nnyo. Thank you for coming all the way.